Hey, what's for dinner tonight? Oh, you're cooking pizza? Well, check this out. It's called the Pan Duo. You like circular pizza? You like square pizza? You can't decide? Well, good. You get them both. You want the perfect slice? It's got cut and groove, so you always get the perfect slices. I mean, frickin' cut and groves. Why didn't no one think of this before? It's also wicked smart. It's scratch and corrosion resistant. No cut marks here. It's professional thick gauge anodized aluminum in the center, so it can take temperatures up to 750 degrees. It's coated with a safe, eco-friendly, ultra non-stick titanium ceramic copper that doesn't need butter or oil. It provides excellent heat distribution that's uniform baking and ultimate crispiness. That's a wicked pie right there. It's perfect for cooking anything. Want some meatballs with the pizza? Boom, throw them in the pan. Got leftovers? Boom, stick it in the freezer. You done? Boom, stick it in the dishwasher. When it's time to store it, save the space, just stack them. It's the Pan Duo. The half square, half circle pizza pan is the only way to cook a pie.